So you might be wondering how you can go ahead and use maps on Instagram. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to first want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your Instagram application. So go ahead and open up Instagram just like this, and you want to go ahead and swipe to the right side of your Instagram account. So you basically want to come inside of your DM panel that you have within Instagram. Now you'll see at the top, you'll see your note right up here, and you will see map. Now if you want to jump right into your map, what you can do is you can go ahead and jump and just tap onto the map option right here, and you will see Instagram map basically come up. So now what you can do is you can go through and start to see your map on Instagram. So if you have friends on Instagram that you're already sharing your stuff with, you can go and tap onto the search for friends area, and you'll be able to search around within Instagram maps and kind of see what's going on. You'll be able to see where your friends are posting on Instagram or the people you're following, whatever they're posting location wise. You will be able to see them on the Instagram map, and you can kind of configure your account here too. Like if you want, you can go through and kind of turn on your location on or off depending on what you want to do there. You can target on your location if you give them your location access. But that's basically how you do it. You can tap back if you want to get out of it. So it really is that basic. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.